Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we're going to do it's a quick review. We are in Cozy Beach off of Pratam Hill there, and we are just there is the Sky Gallery, and here next door is a lovely young lady giving me the V sign. We are at the chocolate factory next door. Fantastic restaurant area, views, it's got everything. Let's have a quick look as we go to the table. This is air conditioned inside, it's beautiful. But here they have a nice little terrace. Lovely. Beautiful, stunning views. And I've plonked myself in the corner here. My beer's arrived. Going to be doing a little time lapse out there when we get some action going somewhere. But I want to talk about a few things very important. A couple of bits not so important at the beginning to do with the channel. Few comments I want to address, but we're here to talk about something quite important, very important: health insurance. So, but I will be showing me tuna salad on the way here, but the chat is important, so let me get settled, we'll get on with the chat. Okay, first of all, to address only a couple of comments that were on my comments book this morning. One was a comment asking me by a separate, let's call him a subscriber. It's a comment. Why have I not let through another comment? Am I shy of approving some criticism? No, I'm not. The comment that they referred to was saying that the Rome hotel wasn't good, they didn't like it, it was crap. They much preferred the thank you, it's the salad, we'll get back to it. That they much preferred a red restaurant over on East Pattaya, which I agree with. For me, I'm closer to it. If I'm in Bangkok, I would love the Rome restaurant, but I'm in East Pattaya, red restaurant, excellent, nothing wrong with that. But then they went on to say that they didn't like a certain blah blah. He's a, not nice words. That I do mind, because I will not have comments from subscribers slating other vloggers. If you want to put bad comments about other vloggers on my channel, I will not let it through. It will cause animosity between vloggers, which is what you're trying to do. Yeah, I know the game, don't worry about that. Do not try or even start to put bad comments on my channel about other vloggers. I will not approve them. I will delete them. I'm not here to cause animosity and drama between vloggers. There's enough of it already. I won't allow it. These people are also my friends. If I allow them through, I'm going against my friends. I'm not losing friends because of people putting bad comments about them. And even if they're not, I'm not allowing them through. So that's one. Then another comment which came up just before I left, which was on the restaurant. On the restaurant doing the cheap steak, cheap food. The guy's telling me that if I walked in there with a camera, he would take it off of me and beat me up with it. Good luck with that. But I am doing a service, as far as I'm concerned, to a Thai business that is good, and I'm also doing a service to other people, subscribers here on a budget, that found that helpful. I've helped the Thai business, and it's a good business, good food, cheap food, and I've helped people here on a budget. One person wants to beat me up and ruin it for thousands, and a Thai business or any business. Why would you want to do that? To me, troll. 100% troll. Now, let's get off the trolls. There's enough of them about. Health insurance. Certain vlogger, I've not addressed it, I'm going to now, again because of trolls, but also because of JC, Retire Cheap Asia. What a fantastic video, sir. Let me first talk about it. A Thailand vlogger from the UK has had a heart attack. He's in Chiang Rai. He doesn't have health insurance. Up to him. I do not have health insurance. Up to me. I have medical checks every year, and if there's any problems I can address it at early stages. That's my choice. But here's the but. JC, Retire Cheap Asia, because of it, he's put up a video addressing health insurance. What he's put is fantastic, and it helps me. As a British citizen living in the UK, we don't use health insurance. We have a social security, national health system, and we have problems. Yes, I know it's falling apart and it's not that good, but it used to be. But anyway, we have not grown up using or having to use health insurance, therefore we know nothing about it. JC is an American gentleman. He's been here, I'd hate to think how many years, I think over 20 years, I'm not sure on that, but as an American, he has lived with health insurance and knows all about health insurance. He put up a video after this thing with the heart attack, the other British vlogger. First of all, we put up an appeal to try and help him, but he did put in stipulations for the appeal that the person would have to do to receive the help. Brilliant idea. But due to trolls, he took the video down and replaced it. He did another video, but using the health insurance that he put part of on, and he did another one which shows the company he uses, why he uses it, well, how much better. He goes through, he has a spreadsheet showing all of it, the companies he was interested in, the companies he wanted to go through, and the company he chose and why. Now, as an American doing this, I will listen. I have listened, I've watched, I've looked. It's brilliant, and I shall be using them. When I renew my 1-year retirement visa, I shall be taking that out. And I thank you very much for the help, JC. Anything happens to me between now and then, you shan't have an appeal from me going out. I won't need to put an appeal, you do it anyway, because you're wonderful people. But the link to that, it's so hot here, I'm ever so sorry. The link to JC's video about the health insurance, I am putting that in my descriptions board, and I'm telling you now, if you need or want or are interested in health insurance, check out JC's video. It's fantastic. He has put a link, I believe, or an email address for the insurance company in his descriptions, so that you can contact them, but I shall be taking it out. So some goods come of the gentleman in Chiang Rai. I hope you're well. I hope everything goes well for you, and I'm sorry that I couldn't do anything to help, but hopefully everything goes well for you on the 15th. I shall be thinking of you and hoping everything goes well. The others, the idiots, the trolls, you're animals, total animals. I'm sorry. I'm not saying anything more. There's nothing good or that I could say on here that wouldn't flag me about you. So good luck to you. Anyway, thank you very much, JC, for helping and for helping everyone with your video about the health insurance. One last look quickly, my salad, tuna salad with a balsamic dressing, 180 baht. Half pint of San Miguel, 120 baht. It's cold, that's about it. The area, the place, the scenery, fantastic. So, Cozy Beach, the Chocolate Factory, very nice restaurant. Apparently it's a franchise. There are a lot of them around. I've seen them in Hot Hua Hin. I saw them in, I believe they're in Bangkok. They're all about. This is their restaurant in Cozy Beach. Anyway, I hope it's been helpful to you. You've enjoyed it, liked it, you've hit the like button, you've shared and subscribe if you want to. It'll be great if you can, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.